Hello YouTube, this is a video on how to deactivate your Toon Boom Harmony license and migrate it over to a different machine, so let's just get started. This video is sponsored by that subscribe button, so click that button. On this channel we do the technical side of animation and media production, so click that button and join the crew. So when using Toon Boom Harmony you only have one license to install on one machine, so to be able to move that over you first have to deactivate it on your first computer. So let's just close out of this, and when you install you will have a application called License Wizard. So we click that and then we click Manage Licenses, and it says Manage Local Licenses. So this will open up this window where it says Harmony Premium, product version 20, and this is a monthly rolling subscription, so it says expires 7th of January. So we click this and click return. This will contact the servers and it will return the license. So now we can just click OK, close out of that. So at this point, now we've returned our license. If you don't have your old computer available, let's say you had a hard drive failure or you reset your computer and you forgot to do it, then all you have to do is email the support via the link in the description and say, hey, I need you to deactivate my previous license, and they can do that for you. So now we go back and we migrate to the computer that we want to run it on. Okay, so now that we're in the new computer, we can go to our user up here, my downloads, and you can see you can scroll down and download the latest version. So we just wait for this to download. So now that it's done, we can just run our installer. Have OBS break on you. So once this opens the installer, you can just do this as you would expect and just let it install and do its thing. And there we are. So we can just click finish. You don't need to do any of these things. Adobe Reader is for documentation. You don't need that. QuickTime, you don't need QuickTime anymore. So you can just ignore that. And license activation tutorial, which is what this is. So we just type in Harmony and go Harmony 20 Premium. And then you go activate now and do all your details. So when you sign in, since you've sent your license back to the server, you should have one available to click. And there we are. It found the license and that's the same as before, 7th of January 2021. So that's correct. And you click start and it'll just open and work. So there we are, that all works. So thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.